Welcome back, everyone. I hope you had a fantastic weekend. If you're new to the channel, my name's Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. Now, if you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. If you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. Now, we had an amazing week last week. I hope you killed it last week, but we ended up 184.1% ROI on our trades. Now, I know a lot of you think that to be able to get out there and trade in the stock market and make money, you've got to have millions of dollars, because that's what people tell you all the time. You need at least $1 million, $2 million to really make anything. And that's just not true. If you had traded exactly with me the trades that I brought here to the channel last week and only had a $100,000 account. Now, I know that's a lot of money for a lot of people, but there's a lot of people out there that's not trading that make that in a bonus check. A $100,000 account would have made you over $18,000 last week. So even if you only had $20,000 account, you're still looking at right at $4,000 in a single week. You can make money with a smaller account. You just have to be aggressive and you have to manage your money very closely. We had a big loser last week. We would have been up over 200% if it wasn't for losing 22% on one of our trades last week. But you've got to manage your money closely when you're trading, especially when you're trading this aggressively. And so it's not for everyone. You have to put in the time, you have to put in the knowledge, and you really have to start to learn. But I'm here to show you that it's absolutely possible. So let's get into the market. Let's set ourselves up another big week. I hope you're following along. If you're not trading and making this kind of money, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, hit that notification bell, give me a thumbs up, because I promise you these videos are worth that. And if you want to be able to ask questions, whatever else, come over, join the Discord. The Investors Jumpstart program is the first link below the video. You're not going to be disappointed. Not only do you have access to ask me any questions you want, really, but we're also giving away free money. We've already had 2 $1,000 winners over there, with many, many, many more to come. Alright, now we've got the S&P down just a little bit in the pre-market, about 0.1%. However, most of my watch list is in the red. All the major industries are in the red this morning. Crypto's sitting kind of flat. We got some crypto up, some crypto down. Coinbase is actually down considerably in the pre-market, down about 2.33%. Could be a nice little pop in the market there when that opens, because quite honestly, I don't think that it should be pulled back like that. We'll have to keep an eye on that and see how it goes. Now, if you watch the Friday video, you know that I picked up some SQQQ calls because I was expecting the market to pull back the first of the week here. So we'll see how those work out. We end up getting those at a nice price. Picked up a bunch of SQQ calls. Got those at $1.38. We got those for a couple of weeks out. Don't intend to hold them that long, but I always like buying my calls and my puts out several weeks at least. I do buy some end of the week expiration sometimes, but very rarely, and I'll say honestly, most of the time I end up getting burned a little on them. I tend to just like to buy ones that are out 2 to 4 to 6 weeks. They don't have quite the return that if I just bought the end of the week strike. However, they give me that time. If I'm expecting the market to move tomorrow and it doesn't move till day after tomorrow, those longer strikes, they give you that opportunity to still make a lot of money, where if you bought a strike that's the end of the week and it's only got a day expiration or something left on it, even though it got the move you wanted, you still may not make much money on it because of the decay. That theta will kill you on options if you don't know what you're doing. So please, if you're out there trading options, theta is one of the things, as far as I'm concerned, that is the thing that you need to learn about before you go into trading options. You got to know about that decay and understand it. And like I said, I always like giving myself a window. So we bought these out for 2 weeks out, and I think that they should make money. I'm looking for the market to at least retrace, see the SQQQ come back up, test around that $31 mark. We get up close to that $31 mark, I may go ahead and start taking some profits there, and I think we'll do very well. And keep in mind, when we're talking about trading, like I was just giving the example of a $100,000 account or a $20,000 account, this isn't like a lot of YouTubers out there who they talk about their portfolios, but everything that's in there is unrealized gains. So their portfolio might be up massively today, might be down massively next week. Everything we do on this channel, we are locking in profits, so it doesn't matter if the market goes down next week. We've already made that money. Our account can't go down. That money's been made. That's profit, and we're just trading from there. And that's what I really want you to learn, is how to get out, lock in those profits, and have those profits and not just give them back. And so that means a lot out there in the world of trading. So like I said, we're going to be keeping an eye on the SQQQ. I think we could get that pullback. And I'm going to be watching Alibaba. Now, we made some money on Alibaba last week. We got up over 100. If we were to drop back down under 100, there might be a position there to buy some put options on Alibaba. We could see a retracement back down into the lower 90s. So there could be an opportunity there. I'm going to be watching that really closely today. Like I said, it's Monday. We're going to feel the market out, get an idea. We bought our position on Friday for where I really expect the market to go, which is just a little bit of a downturn. Definitely going to be watching the UVXYs because we're back down here where I originally bought them, down around the $4.50 level. I think there's a lot of money there to be made. So join me this afternoon. We'll see how everything panned out. And until then, be blessed. And remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.